Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today I want us to discuss value and its relationship to real estate. Value can be contributed by so many factors. First, the price of the land. Second, the cost of construction. And third, the entrepreneur profit. That is the markup that the developer adds on top of total construction costs. Sometimes when you are walking along the streets of the internet, you'll find two buildings in the same locality or two homes in the same locality, but with a different price tag. Another thing that you should note is that value changes with time. And in real estate, most of the times it goes up. That's why some of you have noticed that a unit that was constructed 2 years ago and sold is much more expensive than the initial price that it was sold at. That rate of appreciation changes from property to property, and it is caused by so many other factors that we will discuss in the future videos. Right now we are in Rongai Rimpa, and behind me is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 220 square meters. The last time we were in Rongai, we used the Tanzanian route because the distance from Nairobi to here was huge and the roads were very bad. Right now, we just took only 30 minutes from Nairobi CBD to Rongai Rimpa. The roads are good and there is less traffic. Also, there is introduction of Nairobi Superhighway, which you can use to access these areas. Many people do not understand that Rongai is a very good place, especially if you want to settle down here or you want to raise a family in this locality. Rongai is very hilly, as you can see from the drone shots, and it is an area with good breeze, good greenery, and good access to all social amenities. This is one of the gated estates in Rongai, and it is an estate of 10 units. Each home is going for 17 million Kenya shillings, and each home has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot of land. From there, you can see that the parking has been done very well, big enough to fit your 3 cars, and on my far left you have your front yard. On my far right you have your kitchen garden. That one you'll see it when I'll be showing you the kitchen porch. One thing that you should note is that this gated estate has been surrounded by a perimeter wall, but what the developer has done is that she has introduced live fences to separate each unit and make sure that you are getting the privacy that you require. From here I want to take all of you inside, but before we get there, you can see that the unit comes with this entrance porch. It is big enough and it is welcoming you to the unit. As I take you through this unit, you'll notice that this developer has a very unique taste, and her taste to details is on another level. So make sure that you notice all the spaces that we show you, and you'll tell us on the comment section below if this unit is worth your 17 million Kenya shillings. From there, you can see that the unit comes with a double door. It is a metal casement that is partially transparent, just to make sure that you are getting enough natural light to this space. From there, you can see that the living room has been done very well. One thing that I have noticed and I have liked is that the developer has done massive windows just to make sure that during the day you do not need to have the lights on, and you'll have an access of good natural light, and this living room is giving you the indoor-outdoor environment that you may require. I have noticed that the simplicity of this living room makes it less intimidating, but also very comfortable, very cozy, and very inviting. Any day you have visitors in this house, they won't fail to notice the quality of the finishes, the wooden parquet floors that have been done very well, and the seamless flow of natural look from the living room to the dining area. From that angle, you can notice that the developer have utilized the Italian type metal casement windows, and they are giving some uniqueness to this unit. Right now we are at the dining area of this home. It has been done very well. I like the size because I'm very sure this one will fit an 8-seater dining set. So if you have a big family or you usually receive a lot of visitors, this is the place where you serve them your favorite dish. On my left hand side, you have the connection between the dining area and the kitchen, and the cabinetry is very unique because it can be accessed from both sides, that is from the dining area and from the kitchen. That makes it very easy for you to put your cutlery in the kitchen and access them through the dining area. And for the purposes of practicality, my cameraman just put my water from the kitchen and I can easily access it from the dining area. I'll take a sip and then we will continue. These are the plans of this house. I can see the designs that were used by the architects, and this is where we got the print area. I know most of you think that I'm a genius, but I Google most things, even my name. I'll take you to the kitchen. Wow, very interesting. I like the size of this kitchen. It has been done very well. And before you get into the kitchen space, you have this pantry that has been partitioned just to make sure it easily fits all your dry foods. From there, you can see the separation that I talked about, and it is separating the kitchen from the dining area. And one thing that I did not mention is that you have a vanity here, and it is a space where you can wash your hands when you are having your meal in the dining space. The cabinetry from there has been done very well. I like the uniqueness, and I like the blend between the cabinetry, the floors, and the white ceilings. The grey granite countertops are adding to the look, and it is making this kitchen very beautiful. On this side, you have 3 drawers that can be used to keep your crockery and cutlery, and if that space is not enough, you have another set of drawers on this side. Next to them, you have this space that have been set aside for your 6-burner cooktop. A heat extractor will be added here, and on my far left, you have your sink area. It is a double sink, and there is water because this developer has done a borehole just to make sure that your water needs will never be jeopardized. This space is where you are supposed to do your refrigerator. I like it that it is big enough to take a double door, and this door is taking you to the laundry area, the clothes area, and the kitchen garden. The kitchen door is giving you an access to the kitchen porch, and this is where you have your laundry area. I like it that the developer included an industrial sink just to make sure that it is very easy for you to wash your boots. On my far front, you have your kitchen garden, and as you can see, it has been done very well. It is big enough, and it joins to the front yard and the parking on this other side. Just next to the perimeter wall, you have an extra tap that can be used to water your garden. And on my far right, you have your clotheslines area, and the developer has already installed your clotheslines poles, and you only need to add a few clotheslines and your clothes will easily dry. This unit comes with a mini store, and it is the space under the stairs. This space can be used for your gas cylinders, or you can modify it to act as a pet house. Behind me, you have the extensive part of the clotheslines area, and as you can see, the space is massive. But one thing that I have noticed is that there is a pavement all around the unit, so if you like jogging or running, this can be a very good runway. Now that you have seen most spaces on this level, do you think the developer has done enough to make you give her your 17 million Kenya shillings? If you think it's a yes, give us a like and make sure you leave a comment down here. The unit comes with a random space here that can be used for any other purposes. It is the space under the stairs, and the staircase takes you to the upper level where you have the 3 bedrooms. This is the common washroom. It has been done very well, and it is very important, especially when you have guests and you do not want them to interact with the other spaces that are private. Right now, we are in the guest bedroom. From there, you can see that it is a massive space. If you are the guest in this house, mimi siwezi enda. I'll nitakata kutoka hapa. I am not going anywhere. You are going to host me or adopt me. As you can see, the guest bedroom comes with a very well done closet. It is floor to ceiling and with many compartments for all your types of clothes. I like it that it comes with 2 drawers there for the tiny garments, and behind me you have the bathroom to this bedroom. From there you can see that the guest bedroom comes with 3 big windows just to make sure that your guests are getting enough light and they cannot be suffocated by the claustrophobicness of enclosed rooms. This is the guest bedroom, and it comes with all the fixtures that you require. You can see that you have a WC, a wash basin behind the door, and a shower cubicle. Very nice space. From here, I'm going to take all of you to the upper level. We will see the other 2 bedrooms and the primary bedroom. And let me tell you, I can't wait to show you the primary bedroom. It's marvelous, done very well, and it's good for you and your partner. Let's head upstairs. As I mentioned earlier, this unit has been uniquely done, and I like how the developer has combined all materials to make sure that this unit comes up very beautiful and very homely. As you can see, the floors have been done in brown. I like it that they are matching very well with the brown staircase railings, and you have your staircase windows on that side, and the French roof is giving you a laid-back experience, and when you combine it with the brown ceilings, you are getting something that is very unique and very well done. The primary bedroom, and it is the space that you are supposed to spend most of your time. This is the place that you'll make a lot of memories. And if it were me, I would advise that a bigger space is always better than a smaller one, even if you are a minimalist. On my left hand side, you have the closet to this bedroom. It is big enough for 2. I like the partitioning, and I love it that it comes with 2 sets of 2 drawers, and one of them can be used by you and the other one can be used by your partner. One thing that you must note is that all the closets in this unit are floor to ceiling, and they have been done very well. The partitioning is awesome, and all the spaces are practical and usable. From here, I'm going to show you the primary balcony. Later, I'll show you the primary bathroom, which is here, and after that, I'll show you the first and the second kids' bedrooms. As I mentioned earlier in the video, Rongai is a very hilly locality, and the people who live around here have made sure that they have planted enough trees to magnify the beauty that comes with this unique area. From here, you can see that the area is very beautiful. The greenery is blending very well with the construction that is going on, and the developers are doing a lot of work to make sure that the beauty of this locality is maintained. Let's see the bathroom. This is the primary bathroom. I like it that it is the biggest. It has been done very well. This is the washroom area, and this is the bathroom area. The washroom area comes with a wash basin, a tissue holder, a WC, and this is the shower cubicle. One thing that you must note is that the shower cubicle comes with a rain shower, and this home comes with solar water heaters. From here, I'm going to show you the 2 kids' bedrooms, and you'll tell me if this is not the space that you actually require. The first bedroom is here. The second bedroom is on my far front, and here you have the controller of the solar water heaters. Right now, I can see that the water is at 65 degrees Celsius. That is very hot. The first bedroom is here. It has been done very well. It is not the brightest. It actually comes with the smallest window, and I think this is the bedroom that you should allocate to that one kid that keeps misbehaving. You see the one that you look at, you're like, this one is just like me. Anyway, on this side you have the closet of this bedroom, done very well. The same concept has been applied. The matching of the floors and the ceiling is still here, present and very unique. And the bathroom to this bedroom is on this side. This bathroom is the longest. I have noticed that the developer has done the tilings from the floor to the ceilings just to make sure that the wetness or the vapor of the steam after showering will not affect the walls of this space. From there, you can easily notice that the bathrooms comes with all the fixtures that you may require. They have been done very well, and it is very unique to get a bathroom with 3 windows. You have one on the washroom area, you have 2 in the shower cubicle. This developer is very big on light matters. From the first bedroom, the second bedroom is here. And in contrast to the first bedroom, this bedroom has a more square-like shape bathroom. You have your washroom area here, And on my left, you have your shower cubicle. Attention to details is always very necessary, and this developer has even added door stops in every door just to make sure that this home is a space where you can uniquely differentiate yourself from other homeowners. This bedroom is totally different from the first one. This one gets a lot of light because it comes with these two windows, and they are giving you a very good breeze and a very good view to the front side of this mansion. The closet of this bedroom is here. I'm very happy that Mr. Sante opened part of it, and as you can see, the concept is the same. Nothing changes. The only thing that I can notice is that this closet is slightly smaller than the one that we saw in the first bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. Just look at this house. Is it not a masterpiece? It is really beautiful from here and the views that you are getting. And I just hope you can come here in person and see the uniqueness and the awesomeness that comes with this unit. As I mentioned earlier, it's only 17 million Kenya shillings, and if you want to get it right now, make sure you call the number attached in the first comment. That's all for today. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.